Hello, this is the Capstone project presentation for Group 3, the AI and Automation Finished Cohort project. My name is Ike Ojibe and I'll be representing Group 3. Now, this is the Mama T's voice agent project. The owner of Mama T, Mrs. Teniola Adeyemi, reached out to us to help us solve the problem of losing customers who call over the phone when they are busy and they're not able to attend to those customers. So she requested we build a virtual assistant that will answer the phone calls. So this virtual assistant will be able to take orders from customers, make help customers make reservations, and of course take any inquiry from customers. Now, this is the Google Sheet where it will be logging in this information. So when orders come in, the agent is going to log in the orders under the orders log. When a customer make a reservation, the agent will log it under the reservations log. Now, when a customer make an inquiry or ask a question the agent is not able to answer, the agent will tell the customer that someone from the team will reach out to the customer to attend to that and will log it here. Now we built the voice agent using VP and we fed it with the system prompt to give it the behavior rules. We gave it a knowledge base all about the business and everything that it needs to know. Now we built the workflow in anything that allows it log into the to log in the orders or reservations or escalation as need be. So I'm going to go ahead and make a call to test these one after the other. And then when I'm done making the call, we can go back to anything and see each of the nodes.
You have a trial account. You can remove this message at any time by upgrading to a full account. Press any key to execute your code. Hello, thank you for calling Mama T's Kitchen. I'm your virtual assistant. I can help you with our menu, opening hours, deliveries, reservations, and orders. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to place an order, please.
Certainly. Could I have your full name, please?
My name is David Mark.
Could you kindly spell your first name for me, letter by letter?
David.
So your first name is David, spelled D-A-V-I-D. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Thank you. Could you kindly spell your last name for me as well?
Mark.
So your last name is Mart, spelled M-A-R-T. Is that correct?
Not T, K. Mark. Mark.
Thank you for the correction. So your last name is Mark, spelled M-A-R-K. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Thank you, David. Could I get your phone number, please?
080-3456-7890.
So your number is 08034567890. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Thank you, David. What would you like to order?
I want one large jollof rice, one piece of chicken, and a Fanta drink.
One large jollof rice that is 2,500 naira, one piece of chicken that is 1,000 naira, one Fanta 50 centiliters that is 400 naira. Let me add that up for you. Your subtotal for the food comes to 3,900 naira. Will this be for delivery or pickup?
For delivery, please.
Could you please give me your delivery address?
13 David Crescent, Wusetu.
Let me confirm confirm your address. You said 13 David Crescent, Route 2, is that correct?
That is correct.
Thank you. The delivery fee to Route 2 is 500 naira. Your total for the food comes to 3,900 naira. Adding the delivery fee of 500 naira, your food total is 4,400 naira. Will you be paying by cash or bank transfer?
Bank transfer, please.
Thank you, David. Here is your order summary. One large jollof rice, that is 2,500 naira. One piece of chicken, that is 1,000 naira. One Fanta 50 centiliters, that is 400 naira. Subtotal for food, 3,900 naira. Delivery fee to Wood 2, 500 naira. Grand total, 4,400 naira. Payment method, bank transfer. Delivery address, 13 David Crescent, Ruse 2. Just to confirm, your name as spelled is David and Mark. Is everything correct?
That is correct.
Thank you, David. Your order is confirmed. Please make your bank transfer to GT Bank, please. Mama T's Kitchen. Account number 012345678 Once payment is received, your order will be dispatched to 13 David Crescent, Ruse 2. Just to confirm, your name as spelled is David and Mark. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that is all for now.
Thank you, David. We appreciate your order. Your food will be delivered within 30 to 60 minutes after payment is received. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. All right. So that's that has been done. I expect that the details or the information for the order will be coming in exactly. So we have that. So you can see the timestamp, the time for the order. We have the customer name, we have the phone number, we have the order details, delivery or pickup, the address, estimated total, and payment method. So now let's go to reservations and make the same phone call. And this time around, we'll be making a reservation.
You have a trial account. You can remove this message at any time by upgrading to a full account. Press any key to execute your code. Hello. Thank you for calling Mama T's Kitchen. I'm your virtual assistant. I can help you with our menu, opening hours, deliveries, reservations, and orders. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation.
Could I have your full name, please?
My name is Grace Adeleke.
Could you kindly spell your first name for me, letter by letter?
Grace.
So your first name is Grace, spelled Grate. Is that correct?
Not T, C. Grace. Grace.
Thank you for correcting me. So your first name is Grade, spelled Grade. Is that correct?
No, you're still getting it wrong. G R
I
A.
apologize for the confusion.
All right. Grace. Grace.
So your first name, I am sorry, could you please repeat that?
Grace.
So your first name is Grace, spelled Grice. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Thank you. Could you kindly spell your last name for me as well?
Adeleke.
So your last name is Adelek, spelled Deleke. Is that correct?
That is correct.
phone number, please?
081 62 34 5678.
So your number is 08162345678. Is that correct?
Can you please repeat the number?
Certainly. Your number is 08162345678. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Thank you, Grace. What date would you like to reserve a table?
Friday, the 14th of May,
And what time would you prefer?
4 p.m.
Thank you. So you would like to reserve a table for Friday, the 14th of May at 4 p.m. How many people will be joining you?
6.
Do you have any special requests for your visit?
Uh, can we have a table close to the window?
Thank you, Grace. Just to let you know, reservations are for groups of 5 or more people and require at least 24 hours. Deposit of 5,000 naira is also required and will go towards the total bill. Let me read your reservation summary back to you. Name, Grace Adalak, spelled Grace, and a DLLKE. Phone number 08162345678. Date, Friday, the 14th of May. Time, 4 p.m. Number of people, 6. Special request, table close to the window. Reservation deposit, 5,000 naira. Just to confirm, your name as spelled is Grace and a Deleko. Is everything correct?
That is correct.
Thank you, Grace. Your reservation for 6 people on Friday, the 14th of May at 4 p.m. is confirmed. Just to confirm, your name as spelled is Grace and a Delek. We will reserve a table close to the window for you. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Not at all.
Thank you, Grace. We look forward to welcoming you and your group at Mama T's Kitchen. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Okay, so there was a bit of a back and forth with the first name, but I'm sure we later got it. So let's wait for the log to be made, and we can see the timestamp, the name, the number, the date, the time, the number of people, and if there's a special request. Now let's head to escalations and let's make the call again one last time.
You have a trial account. You can remove this message at any time by upgrading to a full account. Press any key to execute your code. Hello, thank you for calling Mama T's Kitchen. I'm your virtual assistant. I can help you with our menu, opening hours, deliveries, reservations, and orders. How can I help you today?
Hi, I wanted to ask about your catering services for my wedding.
Thank you for your interest in our catering services for your wedding. That is a great question. Let me make sure someone from our team follows up with you directly about that. Could I have your full name, please?
My name is Chris.
Could you kindly spell your first name for me, letter by letter?
Chris.
So your first name is Chris, spelled Chris. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Thank you. Could you kindly spell your last name for me as well?
Messi.
So your last name is Messi, spelled Messi. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Thank you, Chris. Could I also get your phone number so our team can reach you?
-0701-987-6543.
So your number is 070-198-76543. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Thank you, Chris. Just to confirm, your name as spelled is Chris and MESSI. Your number is 07019876543. And your question is about catering services for your wedding. Is that all correct?
That is correct.
Thank you, Chris. Someone from our team will call you back as soon as possible. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that is all.
Thank you, Chris. We appreciate your interest in Mama T's Kitchen. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. All right, so that is that for escalations, and let's see what happens with the log information. Fantastic. So we see we have the timestamp, the time the well, the inquiry was made, the name of the customer, the phone number, the customer query, and the pending callbacks. Now, like I explained earlier, this is for the team, whoever that is in charge of going through this um, Google Sheet to, or going through those logs to understand that, oh, we're yet to call back this customer. So they have to put a call or reach out to the customer as soon as possible. Now coming back to our VP, and I just want to. This is the phone number. Sorry, this is the phone number we called. So it's a US number just for the purpose of this test and all. And going back to N8N, we can just go through the executions just to see, just to look at the workflows and just see how it is. But I'll just to show you how it's being executed, and then we get back to looking at the nodes individually. So this is the last call that was made, and you see the log at escalation. But let me go back to a detour. um so the first thing is, this is our webhook. um of course, being I have to take you to our VP right now, where we going down to messaging, all the way down to messaging. Let me open that up. And you see that our server URL is the webhook URL. Now, this allows that for when this call is made and it's ended, I believe the trigger word is have a wonderful day. Once the assistant says that have a wonderful day, they prepare like an end of call report. That is what is sent. So this is what triggers here, and then we have all this, and this is the output data that we have. But it's just a lot of information that we don't necessarily need. And here we filter it here. Now, this is just to pick up that end of call report. This is the only thing we need. This filter node here um is just for us to get only the end of call report. We don't need all the everything here. It's just a lot. So it now allows us to just focus on the what we need, which is the end of call report. You're able to see the entire call with the, like you see, okay, I'd like to ask about your services. I wanted to. So you're able to see the entire call with the customer over the phone. And then from this, we go to the HTTP node, which is an AI extract call data. So for this, we're using Grok AI. That's what we're using to extract the call data from this. So it's able now, with the expression written here, it's able to, what will I say, simplify the data we need to just give us, and then most importantly, give our data a call type, which is whether it's an escalation, whether it's a reservation, whether it's an order. Now, this call type is very important because this is what allows this our agent to understand where this is going to be logged. right? Or our workflow to understand this is going to be logged. So for every call type that is order, it is logged here. Every call type that is reservation is logged here. And every call type that is escalation is logged here. So you see the call type, you see the customer name, you see the phone number, you see the order details, and just the important information. Um, so this is what the entire JSON structure here it's all about, just to um, just simplify this data for us. And that's why we say extract core data to extract it. Now the next node is a code node, which now cleans up this data. But that's the best way I can put it. It now cleans it up. And make it easier for you to pretty much understand straightforward. So you now see the call type is escalation, the customer name, the phone number, you see all these, you see the customer query. And if I go to the, so this is the this is for escalation. And if I go to route and now this is where it now routes to. If it's going for order, it comes here. If it's going for reservation, it comes here. If it's but this is for escalation, that's why it's going straight to this. And then you see here where we mapped the key details that is needed for this. Let me go to the executions and open one of the earlier. I believe that should be for reservation. So you see the way it works as well. It's quite an interesting workflow, I would say. So yeah, let's open reservation. And so you see now, going back to the core type reservation, it's just this it shows the importance of this AI this AI extract core data node. And when it cleans it up, when it cleans up the AI response, you're able to see that the core type is reservation. It still gives the customer name and all the important details for this, which allows it to be routed to the reservation. And then when you go to the reservation, you're able to all the important details there. And it's the same goes for the first workflow we did, the first call we made, which goes straight to orders. I'm just going to open it up and then you see it as well. Fantastic. Let me unpin it and then come open it up here again. So you see again the call type order. Like I said, it is important. This call type is important. It's important that AI is able to tag what kind of call this is. Because if it doesn't do that, we're not able to route it to the necessary database where it's going to be logged. And if you look at the cleaner, you're able to see it very cleanly. The order, the name, the phone number, and everything that has to do with this. And it's routed to the log order. So now this is the entire workflow. And this now allows Mama T and her team to operate seamlessly without having to worry about losing a customer because they are too busy to go to their phone. Now, all they need to do is just go to their database and check the logs just to see, okay, is there a new order? Is there a reservation? Or is there a customer inquiry that we need to attend to? Now, this is the workflow. Thank you very much for your time.